Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Ciao a tutti, benvenuti sul mio canale. Sono Bukola, I am Bukola. In today's video, I'll be answering some of your questions. I've received a lot of emails regarding the Reddito di emergenza, about when they're going to start paying the Reddito di emergenza. But before I continue this video, if you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so and turn on the bell so that you can get notified anytime I post a new video. From the 7th of this month, you can start applying for the Reddito di emergenza. You can start filling and submitting your application on the Inps website or through the help of the CAF. If you want to learn how to fill your Reddito di emergenza application yourself, I've already done a tutorial on how you can do that. You can check my description box or check my previous video to watch it. It is so simple to follow. It is very, very simple. So, Inps has communicated that they will start paying the Reddito di emergenza right from the middle of next month. So, Inps has communicated that they will start paying the Reddito di emergenza as it's written here on their Facebook page. It says, è possibile presentare domanda di reddito di emergenza fino al 30 aprile. E i pagamenti della prima mensilità sulle 3 previste dal decreto sostegni saranno erogati dalla metà di maggio e concluse nelle settimane successive. Meaning, it is possible to apply for the emergency income till 30th of April. So try to, if you've not applied for the emergency income, do that as soon as you can, because it's going to expire on the 30th of April, and the payments, that's the payment of the first month, will be paid from the middle of May, probably from the 15th of May. But just put it in mind that it will be it will be from the middle of May, and because there are 3 installments, so the first one will be paid in May, the second one will be paid June, and the third one will be paid in July. So if you've not submitted your application, it is better to do that as soon as you can, because it ends on the 30th of this month of April. And let me repeat again, the money will be paid instrumentally. Ci sono 3 rate, 3 payments. Okay, so your money also depends on your economical situation, your family situation, which goes, the money would be from like 400, the money will be from 400 to 800 euros. So from the middle of May, as I stated earlier, the first payments, the first installments will be paid to your accounts. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk about is, because someone asked me, I made a mistake in my application, how can I go about it? Can I edit it? Can I modify my details on my application? So what you have to do is go back to the application, that's the form, the Reddito di emergenza. You go back to that home page, then you click on Gestione Domanda. Do you get it? You click on Gestione Domanda, and you click on Lista Domanda ed Esiti, and you can even cancel your application there. Guys, when I was showing you the tutorial, I had to fill it as well, but because I don't need the Reddito di emergenza, I had to delete the application. You can do it, you can cancel it, and you can modify it. Okay, it's very simple. So we've come to the end of this video. If you have questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section, and you can also, if they are so personal, you can also send me an email. I'll reply your emails. Even if I don't reply immediately, I will read them and I will reply as soon as I read them. So thank you so much for watching this video. If this is your first time here, kindly subscribe to this channel, and if you've been visiting this channel and you've not subscribed, do well to subscribe, please. It's a way to support this channel. Like this video, share it with your friends, share it with your family and friends, and I will see you in my next video. Ci vediamo al mio prossimo video. Grazie di aver guardato questo video. Ci vediamo presto. Ciao. Bye.
You got me running, got me running. Shake it, shake it, shake it.